SPC-Mini Energy Data Logger has already helped thousands of UK businesses reduce their energy costs and their carbon footprints. So if that's something you need to do, but your equipment budget is limited, you've come to the right place. This little logger could pay for itself the first time you use it, but as well as being very cost effective, it's also very easy to use. Like all our kit, it comes with everything you need, including a neat zip-up carry case to keep it all in. The logger also comes complete with its own software package, PowerPack Pro, which is incredibly easy and friendly to use, even if you're not an expert. It allows you to set the unit up as well as download it, and then graph your data, analyse your costs and your carbon footprint, and prepare reports, etc. As I'm going to show you how to use the SPC-Mini in a moment or two, we'll start by setting it up. The SPC is very easy to connect to the PC. Just plug it into a USB port and PowerPack Pro will find it automatically within a few seconds, and setting it up is almost as quick. The only variable is the storage rate, which defines how long we want our survey to last. So once that's set, we're pretty much done. The logger synchronises its internal clock with the PC clock at this point, so we do need to ensure that our PC time is displaying correctly. The SPC-Mini has lots of memory, so we can record plenty of detail, even on longer surveys, and once we've set the storage interval, we don't have to do it again unless we want to change it. All the settings and any stored data are kept in non-volatile memory and are completely secure even if the battery fails, which also means we can now safely switch it off. Now it's set. All we have to do is clip it onto a supply cable and start recording. And this part is really simple too. The great thing about the SPC-Mini is that there is no connecting to do. We just clip onto the cable we want to measure and press the start button. We're checking a lighting circuit here, but the unit is also ideal for checking appliance loads such as kettles or heaters, in which case we need one of these. This allows us to split the supply flex safely and clip onto the brown conductor, which is the one with the current flowing in it. We can also use the SPC-Mini to measure balanced three-phase loads by measuring one of the phases, as the software takes care of applying the relevant multiplier where required during the download process. If you have unbalanced three-phase supplies, like building services to measure, don't worry, we have just the tool for that job too. The SPC-Mini's big brother, the SPC Pro, which you can also check out via this website. When the survey is done, simply remove the unit and switch it off, and it's ready to download whenever you want. As we've seen, the memory of the SPC-Mini is completely safe, regardless of how long you wait before downloading it. Even if the battery has to be replaced, your data are always safe. To download our survey, we just plug the logger back into the PC and select Download. This will wake the logger up so the recorded data can be transferred. Clicking Download starts the procedure. Step 1 identifies the logger and initiates the process. Step 2 allows us to enter the survey details, what the load was, where it took place. And at Step 3, we select either single or three-phase to match the supply type. Usually it will be single phase, but remember that the SPC-Mini is also suitable for balanced three-phase. The next steps allow us to enter the nominal voltage of the supply and the load type. If we used an additional CT, normally we don't, we can enter it in Step 6. Step 7 is where we add a tariff so we can convert our energy to cost, which completes the download process, and now we can view our results. Here we can see the profile of the energy consumption during the survey we have just carried out, and with a click of the mouse we can also spot problems like this and work out how much energy and money has been wasted as a result. As I said before, it doesn't take long for this instrument to pay for itself. If you'd like to purchase an SPC-Mini, you can buy online right here. And if you would like to try PowerPack Pro for yourself, you can download the full version, complete with some demo files to play with, completely free of charge. If you need a more sophisticated data logger than the SPC-Mini, for unbalanced three-phase measurement for example, then check out the SPC Pro at spcpro.co.uk or at the L Component website.